Hi, welcome to the Beingo Studio. Create your first bingo by clicking on the plus button or use one of the templates below. I'm going to start from scratch. Give your bingo a name. Now you're in the Bingo Builder. Drag and drop a component into the starting block. Double-click on the block to edit the contents of the component. A block must contain a question in order to connect to another block. If you would like to save your user's answer and use it again later, make sure to save it in a variable. Add another block by clicking the plus button in the top left. Reference your variable by using two curly brackets in the beginning and at the end. Feel free to customize your bingo by choosing a preset color or your own color. You can upload your own bingo character or choose one of our avatars. Add a description. Then preview your bingo. When your bingo is ready, you can use one of these publishing options. And that's it. Congratulations on making your first bingo.